What can I do for you guys? Are you ready?
Yes.
How many subs?
6.
What type of bread?
White bread.
For one or all?
Oh.
6-inch. Yeah.
American cheese.
American cheese for all three.
Oh yeah.
And I know Dad said toast, right?
Yeah.
The toast.
Gotcha. Now, what type of meat?
Salami and pepperoni.
Salami, pepperoni.
Can I have salami, bacon?
2 tuna. Teriyaki chicken.
Tomatoes, lettuce, onions,
Onions.
and for the sauce, I want
Which one?
mayo.
Can I get some tomatoes and some pickles and some lettuce?
Lettuce.
It's gonna be a total of 43.